Okay, everyone, never screw or unscrew the fire alarm and never take the fire alarm off the wall or the ceiling. I don't even bring my screwdriver with me. I leave my screwdriver at home. Don't even bring your screwdriver into a public building. You never walk into a public building and tamper with an alarm. You never unscrew it, you never screw it in more, you never take it off the wall or the ceiling, you never paint it. You never mess around with the candela, the volume, the pattern, or tone on it. You never take the strobe off of it, you never take the horn off of it, you never disable the horn or the strobe on it. You never smash it. Any damage that you cause to a fire alarm, you are responsible for replacing it. You are responsible for replacing the alarm because you're the one who broke it. So don't do that. If it's your own alarm at home, that is totally okay, but if it's an alarm in a public building, that is not okay at all. Remember, any damage that you cause to a fire alarm, you are responsible for replacing the fire alarm. So, do not mess with it. Do not pull it for fun. Never ever mess with these things in a public building. Bye.